Hello everybody and welcome back to FaceSlayWithT&A. I am Alicia. Thank you so much for being here. I apologize in advance if you hear any toys clanging. I tried to get my son to go upstairs, but he didn't want to, so that is what that noise is. I used the Armed and Gorgeous palette from JAclyn. I have to say I absolutely love the way this makeup look turned out. It's definitely fall vibes for me, and since I have to get ready to go to my daughter's barbecue for her new high school, this is the makeup look I came up with, plus I wanted to play with it. If you'd like to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. But before I go, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit that little bell beside it so that you get notified on when new videos are up. And subscribe because me and Terry are a lot of fun and we just want to play with makeup and we're moms. So if you'd like to join our team, then please hit that subscribe button and we'll just jump right into the video. I'm starting off with priming my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Yes, I am singing, I have music on, and I was jamming out, just enjoying myself, doing my makeup. And then I'm going to set that with the Rimmel translucent powder. I'm then going to go in with Access and a big fluffy brush and just blend that and put that all over my crease and go back and forth in windshield wiper motions. This color actually blended very nicely. I had no problems. Obviously, as a transition color, it wouldn't really give me much of a difficulty, but then I went in with Agent and that color blended very, very nicely using the exact same brush, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions into my crease. I just put it all over, and then I went in with Secure. I think that was Secure, and I used a smaller bit of a brush and just started kind of packing it on, and then I go and blend back and forth in windshield wiper motions. I will go in with a bigger brush and blend it out, but I do have to say that these colors, all three of these colors, which are very similar in the color scheme, they aren't much different, just a little bit darker and a little bit darker to build up definition. I go back in and blend it out, and it blended out like a dream. Now you can hear Now this is what I'm talking about. All of these colors blended beautifully together. So that is awesome. I'm kind of scared to add another color because these colors have blended beautifully together. I'm gonna do it. I then take Smooth Criminal and try to do the exact same thing with a pointed tapered brush, and then the problem started. It got patchy. There was lines in my inner corner. There was like 3 of them. I did try to show you. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it wasn't the greatest experience, and I did have somewhere to go, so this was a bit frustrating. I did try to again make it work. Lots of blending, lots of like packing on more colors to try to really blend it out, but it just really wasn't going the way I wanted it to. So as you can see here, I'm constantly like trying to pack on the eyeshadow and blend it out with one of the lighter ones, and then I even go like a bit darker and use like the 3 oranger colors to really try to blend it out, and really circular motions in that inner corner to get those lines to disappear and blend, but they really wouldn't blend out. It was very, very frustrating. I was getting frustrated. I decided to cut out the frustration parts and just show you all of the blending that I really did to try to make this. That was Smooth Criminal that I put on my eye. I will now try Prowl.
Going in now with that dark brown color to see if I could try to get Smooth Criminal and Prowl to blend better together. It did blend a bit better, but it wasn't that much, and I used the exact same brush. Started off with the outer corner and then with less product, so I didn't even use that much product and really tried to blend it into the inner corner, and it was not working for me. It was really frustrating, guys. I really was getting really upset. Going back in with Agent and trying to blend it out again. As you can see, it was a lot of work, and like I had stated in my other video, you really don't want to have to work to make eyeshadows blend. You just want them to do it.
I'm going to take my little like flat MAC 242 brush, and I'm going to dip it into Guilt Trip. So I'm going to put Guilt Trip on the outer corner,
then coin right in the middle, and classified on the very end. We'll see how that does.
So guilt trip, literally, and I sprayed my brush, but maybe I sprayed it too much, and there was like no payoff. It was not foiled. I was like, what is going on right now? Huh? Like, there's nothing. So I did it again and just sprayed it. Actually, I'm gonna take that back. Sorry, I didn't spray it at all. I just went in with it because my brush was kind of already wet, and then it kind of worked. Coin now is the complete opposite. It was beautiful, and I just sprayed it once, gave it one little spritz, and it was gorgeous. But again, I tried to make it more of like a half cut crease, like to cut the eyeshadow where the patchy lines were in the inner corner. And all in all, the makeup look turned out gorgeous. I loved it, but it was just such a struggle. I was very disappointed. I'm now going in with Classified, which is like this dark black bronze color. It really is beautiful, just to put it on the outer corner, to give it a little something something. Going back in with Prowl, I will just darken up the inner corner just a little bit and really do like the outer like crease line, if you will, just to kind of deepen it up and give it some depth and dimension, some gradientness, if you will. Now I'm going to use the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I noticed in my other video that my face was looking over dewy and over greasy, and I really wasn't liking it, so I just tried to use that. Then mixing the 2-in-1 Milani foundation with the Pro Glow L'Oreal foundation. I'm going to mix those together. I have gotten really tan over the summer, and I still have yet to find a foundation to match my neck. So if you've noticed in my pictures or even in my video that my neck is like lighter and my chest area is like really dark, then that would be why. I'm going to contour using the Where's Walnut Wet n Wild contour stick. I really do love this. It's very creamy and very easy to blend. And sorry, my daughter is talking to me. It's always when I'm trying to do a makeup video, she'll come out and tell me her problems or just her thoughts of the day. It's awesome. So I'm now going to conceal and highlight using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I just like to put it now on just like the like bridge of my nose and a little bit down, and then blend it out. Therefore, it really helps, and it doesn't look as cakey or crease up on me as much as it did before. I'm going to take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender or Miracle Sponge and put that on my face. I'm sorry guys, I really do try very hard not to have my mouth hanging open while I am blending out my concealer or doing my under eye, but it's just my mouth has to just be hanging open. I don't know why. I try, like, shut your mouth, Felicia, but again, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes. Then I'm going to use the Pro Bronze Fusion, and the brand is Makeup Forever, and this is in 351 Cinnamon, or just 351, because they're more for their numbers and not their names. And I'm just going to take I'm pretty sure it's a Morphe brush, but maybe it isn't, I don't know which kind. Anyways, just a big white-haired brush and blend that all out using the Morphe 9N palette. I'm now going to take that color and push it onto my cheeks. I like to smile, kind of go on the apples of my cheeks, and then blend it back. Then I am going to go in with Top Secret and put that on my under eye. I really did have to build this up, but I really did love it with a little pop of color. It really was like a fall vibe inspired makeup look, and it was absolutely gorgeous. Then I'm going to go in with Prowl on a flat definer brush and just push that into my lower lash line and really bring it in from outer corner to inner corner. Then I am going to use the Annabelle eyeliner, and this is in Jade, and it was actually really pretty, though you can't really tell, I guess unless you're really up close, that it was green, but I really did like it. It was a little something extra, and I never really put color in my waterline, so it was nice. I then go in with Guilt Trip with a little pointed brush and put that in my inner corner, and then VIP on top of that.
Again, my mouth's hanging open. Close your mouth, Alicia. See, I can't help it. It's just, it's gotta be open. I don't know why. I'll work on that. And then I'm going to put VIP right above my, or under, right under my brow for a brow highlight. Using 950 Untainted Spice Maybelline lipstick. This color was absolutely gorgeous. I kind of wanted like a taupey brown mauve lipstick, and then to lighten it up a little bit I used Cream and Sugar Marc Jacobs. It was like a little tiny sample lipstick I got in a trio, and it was really pretty. I know that Marc Jacobs stuff is expensive, so I'm sure you could find a nude with the Maybelline. Using the Becca JAclyn Hill face palette, I'm going in with Champagne Pop at first, and then I will put Prosecco Pop on top of that. And that is it. Nope. I spray my face with the Essence setting spray. This stuff is super cheap and I love it. Thank you so much for watching.
So this is the makeup look. I actually love the way it turned out. Smooth Criminal gave me some difficulties, but I made it work and it turned out really nice. It's like the patchiness and like that cut crease line that really drives me crazy. But you know what? For the most part, all the yellow, orangey colors blended beautifully. And in this video, I kind of like do my talking through, but then I'll go and just show you guys what I do, because that's what I was supposed to. Well, that's what I wanted to do, but I kind of did both in this video. So I was like, do I want to? Do I really want to like attempt it? Because I really liked the way it was going, and I was just about to like put some just foiled eyeshadow on my lids and call it a day. But I was like, let's play, let's try it out. And of course it gave me a hard time. But again, it looks absolutely beautiful. I love the green on the bottom and like the different golds on the top. It was a lot of fun. Turned out really nice. I really like this makeup look. So I think that's about it. I hope you have a great day, night, lunchtime, wherever you are. And I really hope that I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.